If Amazon works as a search engine, why is this product ranked on page 1 of this search term, whereas this product is ranked on page 2? In this video, we're going to be talking about the ranking algorithm that Amazon follows in order to rank your products. And of course, you're going to find out the 3 factors that predominantly affect this ranking algorithm so that you can get your products to rank on the first page. Let's get started. What does algorithm mean? Algorithm basically means a set of rules that is followed by a computer. So a formula that a computer needs to apply. On Amazon, the algorithm is called A9 algorithm because Amazon owns a company called A9 or A9.com that does search engine algorithms. So that's why we call it the A9 algorithm. There are a lot of factors and data points for an algorithm. However, in this video, I'm going to be focusing on the 3 main ones, and I'm going to start off with the main one, and that's sales. Definitely, sales are potentially the most important factor of ranking your products. And of course, here when I say ranking, I mean organic ranking and not ads. Sales is divided into several data points. First of all, sales history. How long have you been selling a product and getting sales, not just listed the product? How long have you been selling and how long has this product been selling for a certain period of time? That period of time could be a month or a week, depending on how the algorithm works. And I'm sure there's a data points for each and every one of those dates, but how long have you been selling? And that's a very important factor. Factor number 2 is sales velocity, the speed at which you are selling. This is also very important, and that also affects something known as BSR, bestseller rank. And as you will see, the faster you are selling within a short period of time, the higher your ranking is going to be, and the higher or lower technically your BSR is going to be. So yes, not only sales and how long you've been selling, but how fast you are selling. Third of all, under the sales factor also, one very important point is conversion rate. Conversion rate is sometimes also known on Amazon as unit session percentage. Basically, how many people come to your listing end up buying from your product. Of course, Amazon want to promote and rank products that have high conversion rates because at the end of the day, they want to make sales. So they will promote and rank products that they see people are searching for, they're clicking on, and they are converting at a high level. Even if it's not huge amounts of sales, but if your conversion rate is very good, then you're going to see your rank go up. Now, this is where it becomes really confusing, or let's say a little bit complicated rather than confusing. Conversion rate is something that's very tough to manage and to improve because it's very much related to the listing itself. It's very much related to the images, also to the reviews. If you think about it, if you get a few negative reviews, of course your conversion rate is gonna drop. And because your conversion rate is gonna drop, your sales are gonna drop, your ranking is gonna drop. So it's very much related together. I don't want you to think there's one factor that's gonna make everything go well. 3 ways that you can work with the Amazon Sellers Society. If you want to learn how to do this whole Amazon business by yourself, then you can join our Inner Circle membership. If you want us and the team of experts under Amazon Sellers Society to create your business for you and set up everything from A to Z, then you can check out our Done For You service program and you can book a consultation call and learn a little bit more about this service. Now, finally, if you are currently selling on Amazon and you want a tool that can help you increase your sales while managing and lowering your PPC ad costs, check out sellerssociety.io. We've got the tool that was created for you, and that is part of Google for Startups. Factor number 2, SEO. SEO basically stands for search engine optimization. SEO became very popular when a lot of companies and agencies were providing SEO optimization for websites, blogs. So I'm sure you've potentially heard about what SEO, or maybe you have a rough idea about SEO. It's basically related to the keywords. Remember, In order to explain to Amazon what your product is, you need to provide the correct keywords. And those keywords need to be in the title, they need to be in the copy, the bullet points, the product description, and they need to be in the back-end search terms. But not just any keywords. You need to make sure that you are choosing keywords that are very relevant to your product, but that also have high search volume, meaning a lot of people are using those keywords. Later on, once you launch your ads, or if you potentially have ads right now, then you can pick and choose the keywords that are performing very well in your ad campaigns, and you can add them into your listing if you don't have them already. Remember, keywords are not just for the Amazon algorithm, they are also for the customer to see. So make sure that they are visible and they are added in a nice way. The last factor is traffic. Yes, traffic actually does affect your ranking, even if it doesn't lead to sales. Preferably, we want it to lead to sales, but even if it doesn't lead to sales, it's still going to affect your ranking. Now, traffic can come from Amazon itself, let's say from the ads that you are creating, or even from the frequently bought together, for example, so the suggestion that Amazon gives the customer, or external traffic can be also very beneficial. That's why when you want to launch a product, and if you have a nice budget, even if you do ads on Instagram and Facebook and TikTok and all of those social media platforms, even if you don't get immediate sales, but that additional traffic can actually increase your ranking on Amazon quite dramatically, especially if it's external traffic. So think about it this way. The next time you're thinking whether you want to work with a social media influencer, or you want to tell your friends about your particular product on Amazon, external traffic, even if it's not going to lead to sales, is still going to be beneficial for your ranking. And that's it for this video. 3 factors that can help you improve your ranking on Amazon. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Make sure that you like this video and leave me a question or a comment in the comment section below. I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.